Hi there, this is Nitin, and I'm gonna walk you through our project on Smart Blind Stick implemented by my friend Divya and myself. We all know that blind people can see nothing. We are truly gifted when compared to them. So, doing ordinary things like walking is also difficult for them. So, in this project, we are developing a smart stick which will make their life easier. Okay, moving on with the project, we have integrated the stick with mainly ultrasonic sensors that will detect the obstacles for them. Now, as they have no sense to vision, we concentrated on giving them response using other form of sensors, that is audio and touch. And first of all, I'm gonna display what are the components I have used in the project. So this is the list of the components. The first one is Arduino Uno, which is the brains of this project, and then comes the ultrasonic sensors. These are for measuring distance of the obstacles. The next one is piezo. Piezo is nothing but a buzzer. This is there to provide audio feedback to the user. And the next one is resistor. Resistor is for regulation of current for some components used in this project. And the next one, these are the three vibration motors which are used to give audio. Sorry for that, touch feedback to the user. And the next one is potentiometer. I will get back to this potentiometer and what's the use of this in my project. And these are the relays. Relays are used in integration of vibration motors with this project. Now here if we see, these are nothing but three ultrasonic sensors. They are mainly placed in front of at the end of the stick, which is used by the blind people. The Basically in this simulation we are facing it straight, but actually in the application, these are slightly inclined so that they will find the obstacles which are at slightly left and right to the observer. Now starting with the simulation. Yeah, here we can see that three ultrasonic sensors are working fine, and these are the three obstacles which are placed between them. See, now let's take this as example. If some obstacle comes closer to the, see, now as there is an obstacle to the left side of the person. Here if we see, the buzzer is ringing, as well as the vibration motor is also ringing. So here I want to concentrate on one thing, that is, here I have used a buzzer and three vibration sensors to give feedback to the person. This works like if there is an obstacle to the left side, then the buzzer will ring, and along with that, the vibration which will be placed on the left side of the handle of the stick will vibrate. With that, we are also interacting with the person with the sense of touch and also sound. Now if we take for example, if he comes close to an obstacle which is in straight in front of him. See, now the buzzer is ringing, and along with that, the vibration motor which is placed at the front part of the handle is also vibrating. Yeah, now it stopped. And coming to the right, it's the same. Buzzer is ringing, and as well as the vibrator is vibrating. Now, you might have observed that for each of the obstacle left, front, and right, the buzzer will ring with a different frequency, which can be easily differentiated for a common human. And coming to this little knob over here, this is a potentiometer, which is basically used to control the range in which the person can identify the obstacles around him. For example, here it is at a distance of 193 centimeter. This is 173 and 94. Here the obstacle is detected when it's coming too close, that is nearly 50 centimeter. But if the user wants to increase the range of the ultrasonic sensors, then simply if he turns this knob, See, now even if it is at 84 centimeter, it's detecting, and now it's not. And now if I increase it again slightly, yeah, now it's again detecting the object. So with the help of this, he can control the range of the ultrasonic sensors from which the obstacles can be detected. So that's an overview of my project. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys in the next one.